Collabora Online allows you to easily refine text styling via the character dialog. For example, you can apply font effects like shadow, underlining, and overlining. You can also adjust the text positioning, including scaling and spacing. Not only can you create beautiful text effects, but you can also apply practical ones, such as more distinctive forms of strike-through. These text attributes are particularly useful for scientific, mathematical, and medical work, where they are crucial for presenting information. Let's look at some examples in this file. Strike-through, overlining, rotation, and case. You can even use text, cell, or character styles to manage settings across different parts of your document. You can make use of this functionality across all Collabora Online's applications: text documents, presentations, drawings, or spreadsheets. That's all for today. Happy editing!